welcome to today's assembly. We have some What a Star certificates for you to start our assembly off. So I would like to award the first one to Daniel in 3 Sage for learning to do presentations in Google Slides and not giving up when issues arise. Really good problem solving there. Well done, Daniel. Congratulations to Bethany in 3 Emerald, because you've got this for your cheerful and caring, moving messages that you send to Miss Seifert. In 3 Willow, we have Ibrahim for researching our words of the day. So well done to our Year 3s. In 4 Royal, we have Hassan for his admirable enthusiasm towards home learning. He has been sharing fantastic pieces of work and consistently displaying his commitment and dedication to progress in his learning. Your teacher is very impressed. So well done to you, Hassan. In 4 Sky, we have Tasneem for consistently completing her learning on Google Classroom and trying her best at all times. And in 4 Ocean, we have Jennifer for trying her best to catch up with the work that she has missed. So well done to all of our fabulous Year 4s. Moving on to Year 5, I'd like to award this one to Hafsha for handing in some particularly creative pieces of work on Google Classroom, and that's in 5 Buttercup, so well done to you. In 5 Sunshine, we have Nabila for always having an excellent attitude towards her learning whilst using Google Classroom. And I know that you are in school as well in our key worker group, working really hard, so well done. And congratulations to Tyke in 5 Canary for taking part in more online learning and sharing his work. So keep that up. Well done to you, and a big well done to our fantastic Year 5s. And in Year 6 we have Naeem for always, this is in 6 Ruby, for always trying his best to work independently and produce work of a good standard. Well done to you, Naeem. Now this one comes from Miss Seconds, but it is in her bubble of Year 6s that she's got at the moment. And this goes to you, Jakub, for an excellent start to in-school learning, making immediate adjustments to make the most of his learning opportunities. So well done to you. And in 6 Cherry, we have Amira for being more active in her home learning and submitting work, which is great to hear. And I'd love to see lots of you submitting your work. So well done to our Super Year 6s. I do have some more certificates. I have a certificate for scientific excellence. And this is awarded to Tuckmid in Year 4 for some excellent teeth-based science, and that's from Mr. Hartz. And What a French Star is Hannah in 5 Canary for being enthusiastic about French. And our sports person of the week is Iman. And this goes to you, Ivan, for your engagement with PE tasks and encouraging each other and other people on Google Classroom. So well done to you. And that completes our What a Star certificates for this week. So well done to everybody. I will email these out to you. Okay, it's that time, my favourite part of the week, where we get to bring in Miss Bruce. So are you ready? On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3.
Mr. Pendlebury.
Miss Bruce, welcome back to our assembly.
That time of the week again, I can't believe how
it rolls around so quickly.
It's been such an exciting week as well, because we've had some of our Year 6s back, which has been incredible. And all of a sudden the school feels like a school, and I feel like a head teacher again. So it has been absolutely amazing. I'm looking forward to welcoming some more, hopefully on the 22nd of June. So stay tuned for the new Google document that's going to come out and ask you if you would like to return, and hopefully we'll see you then. But we have birthdays, don't we?
We do indeed.
We have birthdays, and we have Holly Gilbert in Year 3, who's going to be turning 8 on the 12th of June. We have Alexander Young in Year 4, who's going to be turning 9, also on the 12th of June. Usama in Year 5 on the 13th of June is turning 10, double digits. We have Lilina in Year 5 by Buttercup on the 14th of June, who's turning 10 as well, another double digits. We have Mohammed Zain in Year 3, who's turning 8 on the 15th of June. Bobby Higgins, who's spending some time with us now as well, who's turning 8 on the 17th of June. Adjan in year 6, who's turning 11. I love that. 2 of the same digits. On the 17th of
And
June.
he's here with us, yeah?
He is here with us, yeah. And Lacey May in year 3, who's going to be turning 8 on the 18th of June. A really, really happy birthday to you all. I hope you have a fantastic day. And to those who are in school enjoying it, I hope that they are here to share some cake with myself. We also have some staff birthdays, and we have some really strange little staff birthdays this time as well, because we have twins in the school, sir.
Yeah, we do.
have twins.
Yeah.
And Shelley and Sandra, for those that don't know, are twins. But they're strange twins because they are born over the 12 o'clock mark. So one of them is born on one day and the other is born the other day, but within such a short period of time that they technically are called twins.
They are.
They are. But we have one who's going to be turning, I'm not going to tell you how old they're turning.
Double digits.
Double digits. I was going to almost treble digits, but we won't go that far. This week and one turning next week. So when I do only say one, that is why. But Vanessa, you will be, I'm just going to say turning, and I'm not going to do that either. Vanessa will be celebrating her birthday on the 16th of June, and Shelley will be celebrating her birthday on the 18th of June. So from us here at Cuba Town, to our staff who are celebrating, and to our children, have an absolutely fantastic day. We miss you, we love you, and we hope that you get to spend your time with your families and have some birthday cake.
Happy birthday to all.
Yeah. So, is it that time for me to go?
Thank you very much, Miss Bruce, for taking time out of your busy schedule to come down to
Absolute
us.
pleasure. Love you guys all and miss you very, very much.
Are you ready?
I am.
See you later.
See you later.
Well done to everybody who has been working really hard, making sure that they're doing their work on Google Classroom. Can I just remind you that it's important in the mornings when you first log on to make sure that you just click that register, class register button. Remember, just the once. I know sometimes it goes back and it says maybe, and some of you are doing it again, but we only need you to do it just the once. Once you've submitted once, you don't need to do it any more times. It is really important that you do make sure that you try and follow as much as you possibly can of the work that's been assigned on Google Classroom where you can, because we want to see all that fabulous work that you are doing. So remember, if you are having problems, give the school a call, or you may email the ICT support at cubic-town-junior.towerhamlets.sch.uk. It is on the website, so if you are having problems, just go on there and email us. You can send me a message through Gmail as well, through the Google Classroom, and I will help you as much as I possibly can. We would love to see loads and loads of you all on Google Classroom. I know some teachers are going to be doing some Google Meets as well, so make sure you can have a look at the stream and see when those are, and make sure you can join in. We'd love to see your gorgeous smiling faces. This week we have been delighted to be able to have some more pupils back in school. And so we've got 30 of our fabulous Year 6s in school working away. And so what we wanted to do today was just to find out what their thoughts are about being back at school. So we're going to pass you over to a little video that we have made.
I got this feeling inside my bones.
And the most exciting thing about school now is that we get to relive the experience, and we're not just like, we're not leaving the school how we left it, we get to say a final goodbye.
One of the most exciting things about school now is that we get to make friends with new people since we're not in the same classes, so then we get to hang out with other friends that we don't usually hang out with.
An exciting thing about school now is that we get to see our friends and we get a whole playground for ourselves, and because there are less children we get to run around much more, and we have much more equipment to ourselves.
I think the most interesting thing would be how the school has changed, as in like social distancing, and in our classroom how we have a one-way system. And the biggest difference would be how like empty the classrooms look actually.
Alright, so what's been very exciting in school is that you have like more food.
Coming back to school is helping us in our education.
What's like, is there anything that's quite exciting?
Meeting with our friends.
Something that's interesting about school is that we can play football at playtime and lunchtime. every day.
So, one of the good things about us coming back to school is we get to have our own desks and they're always sanitized and clean every single day.
The exciting thing about school now is there's less people in the class, so it's like more quiet and more like fun.
There's less people, so it's much more quieter, so I can study well.
When we move where you already know, so just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel the good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance.
One of the big differences is that there's less people, but I wouldn't say that's a bad thing. I would also say that's a good thing because like more social distancing and it's more safe.
The big difference is we normally, when we queue up, when we do everything, we're able to go right next to each other. But now we have to stay a 2-meter distance. I find it a bit weird.
I can't talk to my friends or play with them, and there's not that many children here at Cuba Town.
Is that there's social distancing, so we have to stay far apart, so it's not really the same because you don't get to like walk and chat, and the playground is split into half, so you can't use the whole playground.
So like there's less trouble and there isn't as much like noise as there used to be.
Is that a positive?
Bit of vibe.
Thank you very much to everybody who contributed to that video. We would obviously ideally love to have more of you back. I know we're doing another intake of Year 6 pupils on the 22nd of June. So if you are interested, do give the school a call to let us know so we can get that prepared and ready.